everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz and I just want to get this out of the way really quick. I post 4 beauty related videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. However, this is a special upload because we are doing an unboxing of all the new Disney stuff except for the eyelashes that came out in collaboration with Revolution. I'm so excited for this. So after this I will be doing a video on each princess's collection. So there's Cinderella, there's Tiana and there's Belle. So we're just going to unbox this and look at the products a bit more in depth, and then my next one will be a review. As you can see, everything's still in its like little wrapper. I haven't actually opened any of this. All I did was open the box to make sure every product was in there, because sometimes mistakes can be made and I would be frustrated on camera if a mistake was made. But in this one we're already unwrapping red. Oh, it's dropped. Oh, this is Belle's packaging. Look at that. I didn't even realise there's a picture on the front of it. Oh, that is amazing. Then we've got the lip gloss. Again, it has Belle on there, and I think there's actually a quote down the side, and that actually says, "A tale of enchantment." Definitely haven't opened it because I need to use scissors. I'm so excited. It's got Belle on as well. Of course it's got Belle on, but this is the Beauty and the Beast. Ooh. It says "A Tale of Enchantment." And this is the shade. It looks a little bit lighter than what I thought it would be. Okay, let's swatch it. It's a bit powdery. It's not really that highlighter. Like shiny. It's really like faint. I thought it was a highlighter. It's more a powder. Let me read the box. It says highlighter, illuminator, but it looks like a powder that you could put all over your skin. Might have to test that out as a powder more than a highlight. It's really weird. Let's hope the lip gloss is a lip gloss. So it comes in the packaging like their lip toppers that they've had in the past. It's gold, it's got a little rose down here. Obviously like Belle's is more like golden undertone. But you can definitely see the glitter in that. You know what? Let's just put a little bit on now. Definitely see the gold in it. Can't really feel the glitter, but I did put a thin layer on. The lipsticks retail for £5 and the highlight powders retail for £8. And there's one last item in Belle's collection, which I think is in this little pile. So every princess has a palette, a lip gloss, a highlighting powder and eyelashes. Obviously didn't really get the eyelashes. It literally looks like a book. I am super excited for this. I really am never going to get rid of this packaging at all. It looks even better on the actual makeup items. Look at this. And it's obviously in collaboration with Revolution. I'm not sure how many people know that this is out. This is what the inside looks like. So there's one side that is eyeshadow and one side that is a face palette. So you get like a bronzer, some highlights, 2 blushes. So it's quite really nice. So good. So excited to play with these. I want to swatch this shade here called True Love. See, that is what I was looking for. It's just not as glowy as I thought it would be. The next thing is the Princess and the Frog. Look at that. The packaging is gorgeous on all of this. I'm telling you. These retail, I want to say, for £15, which I don't think is too bad for a palette with eyeshadows and face products. Oh. So here we have her palette. I'm really loving the blushes in here, especially this one, Promise. That is a lovely me shade. It's very berry toned. And then I want to take this highlight here, you know what, I don't think I've ever watched this movie properly. You can't really, I swatched it down here but you can't really see it. I feel like these are just more powders than highlighters. But I love how colourful the eyeshadows are. And it says real dreams do come true. I wonder what Belle's one said. We'll find out in my actual review video. These, I literally wish they just keep coming out with these, because imagine like stacking them as books. I wouldn't know where to stack them though, but so impressed. We've got a final little bundle here. This is Cinderella's box for her highlight. And then the highlight just looks exactly the same. It says just before midnight on the back. And then it opens out like this. This is what it looks like. Again, it's just more of a powder. It's just sunk into my skin. Like, there's no highlight to it whatsoever. I feel like these are just meant to be face powders, but they are very cute. Then we've got Tiana's one, and this is the Princess and the Frog highlight face powder. That is what the packaging looks like. And then it says real dreams do come true. So they've all obviously got the same saying on all the packagings. See? That's a highlight. That is much better. I actually cannot wait to use that. Cinderella's gloss comes in this box, and it says again just before midnight right here. And then the gloss, literally, it just looks like an icier toned gloss, to be fair. It looks like there's a little bit of shimmer in it, but not that much. I do feel like these look a bit more luxurious because of the gold, the printing. There's a little pumpkin on the gloss. Then we got the Princess and the Frog packaging, so Tiana's lip topper, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually really excited for this one, just because I feel like the shade is just much more pigmented. It's like a more peachier pink shade with gold reflex in it. This looks like the best one so far. And last but not least, we have Cinderella's one. And that's the scene I always remember. I actually had the originals all on videos growing up. The packaging is just to die for. I just love that it opens up like a book. But let me just take all the plastic off of it. The shades in here are actually really nice. Like, that shade there is really like something I would go for. And I like that they stuck to a theme, so this one's got more bluey tones in there in the actual eyeshadows. But here we have Waltz. That looks like a really good shade as well. Bobbity. Gonna swatch Boo because I really want that gold highlight. So let's see if this is it, because you know I'm waiting for one. No, again, it's more of a powder. Can't really see it. Just a rundown. So each princess gets a book with 6 face palettes, and how many eyeshadows? 18 eyeshadows. So you got Cinderella, and then she's got an icier toned lip gloss, and then she's got a face powder. Now the packaging is adorable. The eyeshadow palette is obviously the heaviest and more weighted, but it doesn't feel like they've skipped out on anything. The detail is all in this, and even like matches everything. The lip toppers are just still on brand, even though like they're not the same colours as these. They still feel like they match the Disney. Then we've got the Princess and the Frog, which is Tiana's one. So her eyeshadow palette just looks like this. It's more colourful, bright, pigmented, and I must admit, so far her highlight is my favourite, because I don't think it's a highlight, a powder like the rest. I feel like it's more of a highlight. And even her lip topper, I just feel like it's just more catered to what I would like. Then I really thought that Belle was going to be my favourite. So you've got her powder, which I thought the powder was a highlight and would be more of what I would like, but it's not. But I must admit, I do love the packaging. And then obviously these are the shades, so there is more like colours in here. You got your reds, your pinks, some blues, an orange, but I do think, do you know what, I do love the blushes in all of them, but the highlights are just not me, I would say, because they're not highlighty, not bam in your face. And then you've got the lip topper, which is my second favourite lip topper, I must admit. The clear one is probably something I won't use as often, but I'm really impressed overall. The boxes for the eyeshadow palettes, they are all cruelty free, but none of them actually say vegan on them. So that's just another little thing just to let you know. Again, I just love the detail, like the borders for the Cinderella is pumpkins, the border for the Princess and the Frog is a crown, and then the border for Beauty and the Beast is a rose. So it's really on brand, and do you know what, I'm glad I Heart Revolution did this collaboration, because it's such a good collaboration and very affordable. Whereas the highlighted boxes actually all say cruelty free and vegan, just to let you know, so that's good. All the lip glosses are actually cruelty free and not vegan. So I'm not going to go too much more into it, just because I'm going to do like a thorough review on each collection over the next week. I'm not sure if I'm doing it, they will be out over the next week, and I'm going to do each princess's collection and then just round up my final thoughts in that video. So I hope you like this unboxing. Sorry if I'm not too upbeat, just because it's after work and I'm tired, but I am really excited to try it all out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.